Dylan, it's a walking group.
Yeah. Just chewing on some mints and
Yeah, how you feeling? You ready for school day?
no, but I'm gonna get through it.
You're gonna get through it.
Yeah.
And it's Friday, and it's pizza day, and it's short day. You get out 1:15. And there's no PE today, right?
Yep.
So it's a good day.
Yep.
It's gonna be great.
This is my school. Yeah.
Okay, let's go, Dylan. Let's go. This is Marengo Elementary.
Busy always.
What's that?
Always busy.
Busy. Here's the main office. And we're going to go over to this gate. This is where Dylan goes into the school, the front gate there. He's ready for school.
And how we can give back to the community in just a minute. And then we also have, may I please introduce you to Miss Aldana. Wave and raise your hands. There we go, that's Miss Aldana. And Miss Silver. They are, all right, this is Evan and Allison, and they are going to lead us.